What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer or send Polygon from Binance to Trust Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. So this one is pretty simple. First things first, you want to access this Trust Wallet and you want to go ahead and get your address. Now, by the way, you want to make sure that Polygon is enabled here. So if you haven't enabled that, go ahead and click on Manage Crypto, search for Polygon here and make sure to enable that by clicking on the switch that you see here. But once you've done that, go ahead and click on the receive button you see here on your homepage, click on proceed anyway, and choose Pol for Polygon. Now from here, go ahead and click on copy. Now, by the way, just to give you an idea, this uses the Polygon network, which is something really important that we'll be using later on. But let's go and switch over to Binance. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and log in into your account, go to the wallet icon here, and you want to go ahead and click on Spot. Now, under Spot, we want to go ahead and click on Withdraw. Now, in here, you want to go and specify the coin. Now, since we want to transfer Polygon, let's go and just choose Polygon or Pol here. Now, in here, you want to go and paste your address and choose your network. Now, in this case, like what I said before, we need to use the Polygon network. So in this case, we'll be using Polygon POS. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, go ahead and specify the amount that you want to send. So minimum value is going to be 14. Also review the transaction details, like for example the network fees. But once you agree to that, go and click on withdraw and confirm your identity by entering or passing the security check here on Binance. But once you've done that, it will take like a few seconds or a few minutes in order for you to receive your crypto, but from then on you should be good. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.